Well, you know, I like working with Kyle and Jason. Kyle, I started in 1964. I hate to say it, I'm 74, doing this a long time. And Kyle seems to be somebody that cares and comes to his jobs, him and all his crew. Jason's knowledgeable, has the equipment, and so we're working together to do this because it just makes it so much easier, faster, gets the customer happier. But there is no other dealers around anymore that ever come to the job site, let alone be concerned with the end result. And that's what I like about Kyle and Justin and what they're doing. So I don't mind sharing anything I got with them. There's people I don't want to say anything to, but like I said, I've been doing it a long time. These guys are professionals and they're willing to help. And that's a big thing. You don't get that anymore.